Hi, and welcome back to Jamie's 4.0 Garage, where we take you from no clue to can do. And today we're going to show you how to service the transfer case for the four-wheel drive on your vehicle. The vehicle in particular today is a Ford F350. We're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 Allen bit, the proper transfer case fluid, our owner's manual, and a little brake clean, some gloves, and a rag to clean up any mess that we make. Now, you always want to service your vehicle at the proper mileage, proper service interval, and Ford's saying every 30,000 miles for a vehicle that's under severe driving condition. Now, this vehicle does have a plow, and it is used for work, so that's considered severe, so we're going to do it at 30,000 miles. This truck has high 20s on it, so it's a perfect time to service it. Our owner's manual says it takes transfer case fluid and 2 quarts of it. Also, right in our owner's manual is a picture of the plug on how to check it, check the level, and how to service it. Now, per the owner's manual, Ford says to use transfer case fluid, but Ford is phasing that out, and that's superseded to Mercon LV. So if you can't find the actual transfer case fluid for Ford, you can go to the dealer and they'll supersede it to Mercon LV. Again, this is a generic procedure we're showing you. You can use on almost any vehicle. Make sure you use the correct fluid for your application. So we're up underneath the vehicle. Got the vehicle up on jack and jack stands. We're going to find the transfer case. We're going to look at the fill plug and the drain plug. I always like to remove the fill plug first. In the event that you can't get it out and you already pulled out the drain, how are you going to fill it up? So let's take the drain plug out and let's take the fill plug out together. Just setting up a drain pan underneath to catch all the fluid so I don't make a mess. I've got my 3/8 ratchet and my 3/8 Allen bit. I'm going to loosen up the fill plug. And I'm going to take that out, put it for safekeeping for later when we finish our service. Now I'm going to pull out my drain plug. Loosen it up, take it out, watch the fluid come out. Got my catch pan underneath it. You can see this fluid is black. Due for a service. I'm going to let all the fluid drain out, just like as if I'm doing an oil change, until it goes down to a slow drip. Once it's done draining, I'm going to put the drain plug back in. And I'm going to snug it up. The correct torque specification is 20 foot-pounds. So we're going to put a torque wrench on it, but if you don't have a torque wrench, you're just going to snug it up. Got my torque wrench on here to the click, and I'm good. Now I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to grab my bottle of fluid, and I'm just going to squeeze it inside the transfer case until it's full. It says I'm going to take 2 quarts, so I'm going to fill it up right till the bottom edge of this hole, so I can put my finger in and feel it. So I finished up putting in the rest of my 2 quarts. My transfer case fluid, you got to squeeze it in there. And you want the fluid to be right to the bottom of this hole. So if you put your finger in, you can just touch it. If it drips out a little bit, it's okay. If you overfill it, just let it leak out the fill hole till it's right up to the bottom of this hole. The fill hole, you're good. Then we're going to put my fill plug back in. Starting it by hand. And again, preferably with a torque wrench. "20 foot-pounds is a spec per the shop manual. There's my click. And I'm pretty much done. I might want to have my safety glasses on, of course, while I'm doing this. Give it a little spray. My brake clean to clean that off. Wipe it down with my rag. And within just a couple minutes and 2 quarts of fluid and a couple simple tools, I just serviced my transfer case, saved myself a whole lot of money, make sure my four-wheel drive works perfectly and will last a long time. So I'm going to clean up, put my tools away, recycle the transfer case fluid that I took out at the local refinery or oil recycle place that I can take it to. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel, and check out our other videos for important maintenance, do-it-yourself, automotive, educational videos. And like I said, if you don't know how to use that torque wrench, we got a video out there for you. More videos to come. Thank you very much. Have a great day.